Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day's going wonderful. I'm so glad you're joining me. Today we're going to create a card in 5 easy steps, and we're using some brand new items over at Pretty Pink Posh. My project today is actually for an Instagram hop and a giveaway. If you want to join us, head on over to Instagram. Always start at the beginning, which would be Pretty Pink Posh, of course, and there's loads of inspiration using the brand new release. We're going to jump in with the 5 easy step process, starting off with step number 1, which means we're going to create our focal point. For that, we're using a stamp set today. And we're doing just very basic, simple coloring. You'll see in a minute. This is called the Pretty Pink Posh Beach Fun stamp set. We're going to just do some stamping on white cardstock. I'm actually going to bring in, this is my embossing mat for my mini impress. It just helps me stamp great impressions since I'm going to be using some acrylic blocks. First off, we're going to stamp a surfboard. And we were going to use Memento ink because I am going to use my alcohol markers. I think this is one of those cards where you could use colored pencils. Really any kind of medium you have would work. So there's the surfboard. I'll just clean off my stamp, and then we're going to stamp the umbrella. Whenever I stamp with Memento, which is a dye-based ink, I always use micellar water. I have it in this container, works really wonderful. If you want to know what I'm using to clean my images, that's what I'm using. Okay, let's stamp the umbrella. My husband just fired up the lawnmower, so let's see if we can get this done before he gets to the backyard. Let's stamp the umbrella. I have my windows open. It's a beautiful day out. We'll clean this off. Okay, we're going to stamp the beach ball. We're also going to stamp the sand bucket, just adorable. And then I'm also going to stamp the shovel. So these are the images that we're going to use for our focal point. Now, as far as simple coloring goes, I picked out 6 markers. We're going to go with some oranges and teals. It's probably my favorite color combination for summer cards. Actually, I'm going to play a little music while I color, and then when I'm done coloring, I will catch you back. That's all there is to it. So now I'm going to take the coordinating dies and I'm going to cut these out. And you could probably really hear the lawnmower right now. So I will cut these out and I will be right back. And these will be our focal point. Now we're going to move along to step number 2, which is creating our home panel. For that, we're going to use some border dies. We are using the new Shoreline Borders. We're going to create some sand and some ocean waves. So I'll cut out 2 with these, and then with some craft cardstock and with some very pale peachy colored cardstock, we'll cut out some waves. Then I'm going to go at a slight angle with these 2. So I trimmed them out, okay, and the colors of cardstock that I used, I wanted to coordinate with our focal point, our image here. Okay. Now I'm going to add some glue on the bottom portion here. And I'm not making sure, we're going to do some tucking, so I'm making sure I didn't put glue on the upper portion here. but we're going to layer this one here. Okay, and then we'll take our ocean. We'll add the darker one first, maybe. Do we want to do the darker one first? Yeah, I'm going to do the darker one next. I want to add some glue behind here. And I'm going to layer this. And that is going to be my home panel. Okay, let's go ahead and take our images. And I'm going to do a little tucking with this. First we'll add our surfboard. Put some glue down here. And do a tuck underneath this. Okay, and then for my umbrella, I'm going to add a little glue here. I'm going to tuck my umbrella over here. Okay, and then we have our sand bucket. I am going to put a foam square behind this one. I'm going to add a foam square here behind our beach ball. And I'm going to place this over here. I like it overhanging just a little bit. I'm going to put this in this bottom right corner. Okay, now we're going to move along to step number 3, which means we need to create our sentiment. So I'm bringing back my Beach Fun stamp set. We have a die in our die set that will cut out "Wish You Were Here," and so I'm going to take this and I'm just going to stamp this on some white cardstock. Okay, let's go ahead. We will ink up our greeting with black ink. I'm using Memento because it's what we have on our desk. And then I'll take the coordinating die and we will cut this out. We'll just line this up and I will run this through my die cut machine. I'm actually going to overlap it on my beach ball, so I'm just going to put a couple small foam squares to the left here, and then I'll use my glue to the right, and then we can layer it over that beach ball here. And our greeting's all done. Now we're going to move along to step number 4, which means we need to create our background. I have an A2 panel of white cardstock. This is 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. We're using the Pretty Pink Posh Chevron Pierced Plate. This is an A2 plate that has chevron print on there. And I'm going to run this through my die cut machine, and this will be great for my background. This is going to make a fabulous background. Now I am going to add this to the front of my card base, but before we do that, I want to add a little bit of yellow in my background. I want to add a little sunshine in the back, and I want to do it around this section here. So I'm going to just use my blending brush. I have my Pinkbrush Studio Lemon Whip ink, and I'm going to add a little color just in this one section. Kind of fade out a little bit, and then I will double check it here. I think that looks like a little sunshine there. So now I'm going to take this panel and then we're going to add it to the front of our card base. And this cut out an A2 panel beautifully, but you can see I'm off on cutting my card base. So I'm going to bring in my paper trimmer and fix that really quickly. And then we are going to take our home panel with our focal images, and we are going to layer this on the front of our card base. On the umbrella, I did double up on foam tape. So when I add my umbrella, it's going to be one level higher. We're going to add a little extra dimension to that umbrella. We'll just place this, give that a press. You see how it's a little bit higher for a little extra dimension. Okay, now we're moving along to step number 5, which means it's time to embellish. I'm going to embellish my card today using some Pretty Pink Posh jewels. I have buttercream, and we're just going to add, we're going to spread out a little bit of this yellow here in my background. And then I'm also going to bring in my diamond Stickles, and we're going to add some extra sparkle to the blue portion of our surfboard. And we'll add a little bit to our shovel, and then we'll add a little bit to our beach ball also. And that will finish off my card project for today. A fun summary card. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you get a chance to join us for the Instagram hop celebrating the brand new June release. There's loads more inspiration. Have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.